The role of AI NPCs in the future of video game design. Non-player characters, NPCs, have long served as vital elements in video games, providing world-building context, quest distribution, and interactive elements that shape player experiences. Traditionally, these characters have been scripted with fixed dialogue trees and predefined behaviors, limiting their interactivity and often leading to repetitive encounters. With advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly large language models, there is growing interest in integrating AI-driven NPCs capable of more dynamic and personalized interactions. This development raises important questions about how such technologies might reshape player engagement and narrative depth in future game design. The current design of NPCs relies heavily on handcrafted scripts written by human designers, ensuring that character dialogue aligns with the game's world and story. While this approach guarantees narrative consistency and emotional impact, it also creates static characters that repeat the same lines and offer limited engagement beyond their assigned roles. These limitations are particularly noticeable in open-world and role-playing games, where players often spend extensive time exploring and revisiting locations, encountering the same predictable interactions. Critics argue that this repetitive nature reduces immersion and diminishes the believability of expansive virtual worlds. AI-driven NPCs present a compelling opportunity to transform these static interactions into more engaging and responsive experiences. By leveraging machine learning and language models, developers can create characters that adapt to player choices, respond contextually, and even evolve over the course of a game. This technology promises to make worlds feel more alive and interactive, allowing for deeper role-playing and emergent narratives. Early experiments, such as AI-enhanced mods for Skyrim and projects by companies like Nvidia and Ubisoft, demonstrate the potential of AI to enhance immersion through more natural and varied dialogue, potentially extending the longevity and richness of open-world games. Despite these promising developments, significant challenges remain in implementing AI NPCs effectively. One of the foremost issues is maintaining narrative coherence and preventing AI characters from providing dialogue or information inconsistent with the game's lore and logic. Technical limitations of current AI models, including hallucination and the generation of inaccurate or irrelevant responses, can easily break immersion and disrupt gameplay. There are also philosophical and emotional concerns, with many players expressing a preference for human-written dialogue that carries intentional meaning and artistic craftsmanship. Additionally, AI-generated dialogue may create unrealistic player expectations when promises made by NPCs cannot be reflected in actual game mechanics or outcomes. A balanced approach to integrating AI into game design involves combining scripted human-crafted narratives with AI-enhanced content for generic or background interactions. This hybrid model allows main quests and significant story arcs to retain their emotional and narrative weight, while AI can generate more varied dialogue for minor NPCs and procedural content. Fine-tuning AI models on game-specific lore and restricting their knowledge base can help mitigate consistency issues. Developers must also consider ethical implications, including player consent for AI-generated content, and transparency about when AI is used, ensuring that players remain informed participants in their interactive experiences. Looking ahead, ongoing advancements in AI technology are likely to make AI NPCs more capable, responsive, and seamlessly integrated into gameplay. As processing power increases and AI models become more sophisticated, game designers will have new tools to enhance immersion and extend replayability. However, it remains the responsibility of developers to prioritize narrative quality and emotional engagement, ensuring that AI serves to enrich rather than dilute the gaming experience. Striking the right balance between technological innovation and human creativity will be critical in shaping the future of interactive storytelling and virtual world design.